Look how cool I am. You weren't recording there, were you? Was she recording?
Probably.
A few moments later.
Hi guys!
Thanks for joining us for another video.
This is our 4th video in our instructional series for Dirty Dancing. We're going to be going over how to do these moves. If you want to check out how to line them up with the timing and the musicality of the song, be sure to check out our musicality video in the same section. Otherwise, check out our earlier videos to get all caught up. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we're going to start out with a demonstration of the section we're going to be going over today. We're going to show it from 2 different angles so that you guys can get a clear view of the footwork for the leads and follows. Let's have a look. Alright, to start off with, we're just going to go over the leader's footwork, where you're stepping, how you're going to be orienting yourself throughout the section, because there's a lot of turning around and such. So let's have a look at it. Alright, so we just did our body roll with our partner. Then we're going to take our first step 90 degrees to the left and start doing our side steps. So we're going to go side together, side together, side together, step, kick, together, swivel, swivel, body roll up. And then once you hit the next musical cue, you're going to go forward, side, together, back, forward, together. Okay, and now we'll switch it around so you can see the rest of it from the other angle. So starting from here, we're going to take our left foot and step to our right. It's called a crossover break. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to kind of high five our partner here, open palm. Then we're going to go swivel, swivel, and then kick our left foot up, and then set it down once more to our right. And we're going to swivel and turn on this, and then we're going to go step, 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 turn, and then we're into the next sequence.
Now let's move on to the follower steps. So after our body roll, we're going to pivot to the left 90 degrees. We're going to step right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we're going to kick the left, step down with the left as we swivel to the left, right, and up. Now we're going to go back with the right foot, back, replace to the left, right foot forward, pivoting, right foot step down, left foot side. Now we're going to switch the view. We're going to turn to our left now and step with our right foot, replace to the left, right foot side as we swivel to the right, left, kick the right, step forward and across with the right, replace to the left, right foot steps down. Now from here, we're going to go left foot forward and across, right foot side as we turn, left foot side, and right foot side.
Alright, now let's talk about the lead and follow for these moves as we go through this section. Alright, to start off with, keeping in mind that you're going to be turning 90 degrees and taking a side step away from your follow initially, you want to make sure you have a very strong frame so your follow knows what's coming and is able to come with you.
And ladies, in order for that to happen, we need to have pressure pressing forward here for him as well.
Alright, so we're going to lead our follow through this pivot, step, and then kick. Now as you kick, I want you to imagine a line halfway between you, and don't cross that line as you kick so that your follow also has space to kick as well without anybody hitting each other, okay? I want to make sure we can kick without running into each other.
And again, ladies, tension here so he can allow us to kick with him, and then as we go into the next part, we're going to have tension here allowing us to swivel together.
Exactly, yeah. So leads, we're going to use that tension not only to signal the kick by bringing her shoulder blade in, but also to swivel right after. And then we come up through the body roll, and then we're going to proceed. And as we go through this next section, as I'm going to bring her across me, what I'm going to do is switch my grip from a regular close position grip to like this, if you're holding a cup of water and have the follow string goes in here. So we're just going to switch because of the move that's coming next. So as we step across each other, switch the grip, now we're here, and then we're ready to go into our crossover break. Then as we come back with our right hand, we're going to have an open palm, so we're not trying to trick our follow into thinking we're doing a closed position. We're just going to come palm-palm together.
And we're feeling tension here, ladies.
All right, now we're going to swivel again, and then kick, and then push her arm out, and then we're ready to go through here. We're going to do our side steps and turns. So here, when you turn your follow, keep in mind that you're going to turn again straight away. So keep this hand nice and high because you need to be able to fit under it without hitting your follow in the face with your elbow.
Yep, so ladies, right after we go under the turn, keep it high for him.
Exactly. And then we come back to our closed position. All right, now we're going to discuss the connection and the styling for this section, go over some of those details. Let's have a look at it. All right, so right away as we start off, we're going to be turning with our partner and sidestepping away from her initially. So we want to make sure that we're taking step sizes that are similar to hers so that we match up with her. We're not trying to leave her behind, we're trying to stay right with her as we get through. And then we get into the kick.
So we want to make sure that both of us are pointing. We don't want to be leading with our heel, so we're pointing, leading with the toe.
Exactly, and then we're going to go through our swivels. And leads, it's nice to kind of lower yourself down to try and match the level of your follow, just to make the move look a little nicer. And then we'll continue on and switch our grip. And then here, as we're getting ready to do our crossover break, we take our right hand off of our follow. We're going to bring it up and then face our palm out as we complete the move, like that. And then swivels again. And then kick. With this one, we want to try and bring the sole of our foot up to face the ceiling if we can.
And again, we're pointing.
And then here we're going to go through our side steps and our turn. This part's important, so we're going to bring our left hand across in between us to turn our follow. And then immediately after, we're going to turn ourselves. We have to pay a lot of attention to the spacing in this section. It's a lot easier to turn our follow than to turn ourselves here because usually the follow's arm is a little bit shorter and it's further away. So we have to make sure she's close enough that we can still get the arm high over our heads, but not so close that we're going to run into her when we come back. So make sure to pay attention to the spacing and to your balance as you come through this section.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content by Green Bay Ballroom. If you want to check out how these moves line up with the song, be sure to check out our musicality video in the same section. Otherwise, check out our earlier videos to get all caught up to now. Hope to see you there. Bye.
Bye.